from Sunshine Way. Welcome to follow my video collection, Melissa Talk About K-Box. Today, we are going to talk about a very big hit start from last year. The box is Benton cupcake box. This product, like last year, we have a customer asking for us, like, Melissa, I want a cake box which can hold the box cakes and the cupcakes together. Would you like to operate a product for us? So now the Benton box is come here. This box is really useful, and as you can see, for this box, you get hole for the cupcakes, and also for this one, per our customer request, they will have another way for the case. So this box will have two functions. You can poke the case and you can poke cupcakes together. So just like this way. See? This one, you get holes around it for the cupcakes. And for this one, you can have a small like 4-inch or 3-inch case. So when a customer will receive these boxes with cakes and cupcakes, I'm sure she's really happy about this one. So this product has become a very hit product in our company, and we sell a lot. And then we have developed different size. As we can see, we can have this one. This is for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 cupcakes and 1 case. And for this normal one is we got 5 cupcakes and 1 cake. And then we have developed the new printing one color printing, and also we have the color printing one. You can also have the logo printing in here. And the last month we also developed like the craft paper one. This one, the color is really natural, as you can see here. And our customer is really like this. And you can see if we put the case in, it's very elegant, I think, no matter the cakes and the cupcakes, just like this. And we just hold the not too much cakes, and we just have it. See? And you can also maybe 1 case in here, and maybe flower. It will also looks like very beautiful. So for this one, it's really popular. I'm sure if you are a baker or a wholesaler, this product will be loved and liked by the final customers. I'm sure, and I really suggest you not miss this product and send inquiry to us. And we have very different size, shapes, and also have another shapes for you to make different collections. So this is our Benton cupcake box, best selling, and don't miss it. Okay, so this is it. This is Melissa from Sunshine Way. Let's continue to talk more about cake boxes. Okay, bye bye. Sunshine Way, happy on the way. Hi.
Nice.